My name's Phil Cooper. I'm the head teacher at Brough Community Primary School. I'm just going to give you a little 2-minute demonstration of the fabulous Google file stream. You could Google, look, you can tell I've just been doing it, Google file stream. And here's some links that will show you where to deploy the file stream. So scroll down and find out, depending on what operating system you're running, where you're going to deploy it. I'm on Windows 10. So I need to find that. Here we go. So because I've already got it, it's going to ask me if I want to uninstall it. If you want to install it, here we go. Download for whichever of your operating systems you wish to choose. Download the Windows one, and then once it's downloaded and installed, you can do the usual thing. Fast downloads where I am. Look, it's not going to let me install it because I've already got it. There we go. But follow the usual steps and install your file stream and then launch it. Once it's launched, go to your little pin bar here and show your hidden icons. You will see the Google file stream icon. Click on that and you should be logged in. If you're not, log yourself in. It's showing my recent activity. Probably no notifications. There you go. Everything up to date. Click on settings and preferences. You get various options. Note integration with Microsoft Office. They talk to each other, Google and Microsoft. They really do. But here's the cool thing. Google File Stream is basically your Google Drive, but now synced to your computer. I'm going to get rid of that. I'm going to minimize my Google Chrome. I'm going to open File Explorer on Windows 10 and look, there's Google File Stream sat there. It acts like a drive on your computer. If I go inside it, you can see here's my drive, just like you would see in Google Drive, and the shared drive inside Google Drive. And the cool thing is, if you right click on it and go down to here, you've got an option. You can make your file stream online only or available offline. So you can work offline if you want. Now, if you do click that, Google File Stream will download every single thing from your drive. Now, since there's over 100 gig of files in my Google File Stream, I choose not to do that. But if you work somewhere where you're offline a lot, it's a brilliant feature for you. And all it does is, when you go back online, it's clever. It syncs everything to where it should be. And it looks for clashes where other people in shared drives have been using things. And it's intelligent. It will pick the most recent version of that file. Google Drive is a real solution to sharing files and folders in school, at home, with your office, and syncing it seamlessly with Windows 10. It's really good.